All right, guys, in this video, I want to talk about what is ChatGPT and why do you need to know about it. In this massively expanding world of AI, artificial intelligence, computer learning, and social media across the board, we're seeing a lot of new technologies that are coming into the fold. Now, ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool that can literally create content for you completely on the go. Now, I'm gonna pop over to my screen real quick just to show you a little bit on the back end, but this tool can do so much for content creation and help digital creators across the board pump out more information and more content at rapid rates. All right, so I'm just gonna put, what is ChatGPT? And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? All right, let's see. So here we go, it's typing. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model that has been specifically designed for conversation. It is trained to generate human-like responses to text inputs, making it a useful tool for generating chat bots and other conversational applications. It is part of the GPT family of language models, which are some of the most advanced natural language processing systems currently available. So, what more information do we need? It's straight up telling you that it's designed to create human-like responses inside of chatbots, computerized learning, and different modes of communicating with people without human interaction having to be involved. Now, these tools are so advanced that you can literally put in ideas and the chatbot will completely come up with content, ideas, responses on the fly based on the computer learning that's taking place in the back end. But important to lean in and be aware of a lot of these things that are actually being developed on the back end. So for those of you that are interested in creating more content and having translated responses and computerized learning built into your business, now's the time to lean in and experience some of these tools that have been developed on the back end. Again, ChatGPT is revolutionizing human interaction through a computer.